Hello, good evening. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining today's live. Today's live is all about uh, the resume masterclass. How can we build ATS friendly resume with the help of chat GPTs for BPharm, life sciences, clinical research, PV, CDM, and regulatory affairs, and also for medical writing. So, how life sciences and BPharm people can develop their resumes by using ATS friendly resume by using ChatGPT. So we'll quickly take it forward. Why do the good candidates get rejected? Because there are 500 applications. The ATC screening is there. And the recruiters will review just for 6 to 8 seconds. The hiring manager will look into it, interview, and then offer letter. The key message, generic resumes often fail because recruiters just don't read it. If you put any generic wordings, any generic resumes, what is mean by generic resumes is you don't understand what is job description, you don't understand what is the company, you don't understand what is the role you are applying, and then you are still applying for those job. Then your key message is you will get failed for this interviews. So the generic resumes often fail because of the recruiters don't read them and also don't look into those resume formats. So what recruiters wants to look into it? The first one, the relevant skills. The second one, the achievements of awards, evidences, the role specific keywords, the most important role specific keywords, and clear communications. And we'll have to look into the proofs rather than just not promises. What is the anatomy of professional resume? If you see from top to bottom, it should have a header, then have a summary, then have an education, then have a skill sets, then have a internships, then have a project works, then have a certification, then have a achievements. If possible, you can have your LinkedIn also. So this is what a high-end resume looks like. Header, summary, education, skill sets, experiences, internships, project works, certifications, and achievements, and also the LinkedIn. So what exactly every section you need to develop? The header, it should be a professional contacts, summary, 3 to 4 lines of value proposition, why you are perfectly suited for that particular role. And skill sets, both technical skills, soft skills, and also technological skills. Experiences, if there are experiences which are achievements, not just duties. Any projects and certifications and skill sets which are required, show relevance that why you have done those certification. Don't add any other certification which is not required for your job description. The freshers, most importantly, you have to look for educations, skill sets, projects, internships, and certificates. But for experienced, it's summary, experience, achievements, and technicals and certifications. Generic objectives, don't put it as generic objective. I want to grow in the career. Don't put all those generic objectives. Poor formatting, don't have it. Keywords are missing as per the job description. Keywords have to be there. Long phrases, long paragraphs should not be there. Fake experiences and grammatical mistakes should not be there. So these are the things you need to be very, very careful when you are taking forward any kind of uh, resumes. Now match your resume with the job description. This is most important point that you need to match your resume with the job description. The job description, exact keywords, compare the resumes, add the missing skills, then you have a ATS optimized resume. What exactly is the job description? Exact the keywords, extract the keywords, comparing the resumes, job description, and also the keywords, comparing both resumes, adding the missing skills, and ATS is optimized. We'll look into real demo of the JD, how it looks, how we are going to make it forward. We are going to have this. Now, say for example, I have downloaded some of the interesting resumes and also a dummy resume. So now say for example, this is a dummy resume which I have created. So I have put some name and I have put location and also phone number and mail ID. And career objective, just a motivated pharmacist, and education qualification, M.Pharm and B.Pharm I have put. Computer skills I have put. Project work I have put. Achievement I have put. Soft skills I have put. Languages, hobbies, and personal details. This is a very generic resume which I have put now. Now, what I'm trying to show you is if you are applying for a job which is CRA role, then how are you going to take this resume and make it forward for your real-time job description is something which we are going to look into it. So now I'll take it one more. This one is the CRA. So the CRA is the job summary which you have. The job summary role I have put as CRA. Actually, what job description it will look like, they will give a summary. We are seeking motivated, detail-oriented CRAs to support planning, initiation, and all those things, who has ICH, GCP, SOPs, and all. And then I have given some key responsibilities as per the JD. As a fresher, these are the responsibilities: site selection, initiation, interns, SDV, CRFs, ICH, TMF, CROs, follow-ups, investigators, SAEs. All those wordings are being given here. And the preferences what are being given in the job description is some certifications and GCPs. And the skill sets which are being given is the GCPs, phases, and all those things they have given. All the skill sets and short forms also have taken. So these are the things they have given as of now for us to take it forward for the CRA role. So I have a job description, I have a resume. Now I will go ahead, I will close this, I'll close this, I'll go ahead with now your ChatGPT. So now I'll put it as ChatGPT. Now I will upload both my job description and also my dummy template. So this is my dummy template and I am putting it as CRA role. So these two documents, I am putting it here. And what I'm trying to do is I have put my dummy resume template, which does not have any skill sets, any certifications, any technology updates, anything which are relevant for the CRA role. I've just added some points, but I have uploaded my job description also, which is CRA role 1. And I need to give instructions now. So I have created some instructions for already. So now I have created some instructions here. What instructions I have created, I'll try to put it in front of you. So the instructions are: create ATC friendly resume as per attached resume. So this is attached resume. Also as per the job description. I need my following sections. So header is this one, mail ID and all. So career summary should be as per job description. My qualification is MPharm from Duke's University of this. My certification is I'm GCP certified PG diploma in clinical research in July. My skill set should be as per your job description, and my soft skills and technology skills also as per your job description. My achievements are I won first prize in international conference. My articles are decentralized clinical trials. My presentation is e-consent and blog. So I'll create my ATC friendly resume as per this in Word document. So now I want it in Word document. So what I have done is three things I have done. One is I have taken my resume, dummy resume, and I have taken a job description, and then I have taken my exact input looping, what has to be done. So I have given a looping that the template is this, the job description is this, my instructions is this, my endpoint I need it is this. So this is what I have said to it, the chatbots. And then I have got one of the best resume. The resume has been prepared information that you have uploaded in template and also as per job description. And it can ask you that if you want 95% plus ATC, I can create a premium version with ATS words, like 40 to 60 keywords it can add, core competencies, and also internships, and also some of the EDC system. But as of now, if I see here, the resume for CRA is ready enough. So now if I go and see, it has given ATS resume for underscore Kiran Kumar. So now I have given Kiran email ID and resume, and see how beautifully it has curated my summary for CRA specific role. Motivated, detail-oriented, MPharm graduate, strong foundation of clinical research and GCP and certified PG diploma in clinical research, and also with knowledge in clinical trial phases, including the site monitoring and protocol compliance. All those things has been given. Qualification has been given. My certifications are here. And then technical skills. These are one of the best thing what you need to have once you are applying for any roles. And these are the terms which are being searched in ATS system. These are the terms which are being searched in ATS system. Then the technologies, Word, Excel, presentations, and all internet search. And soft skills, and achievements and publications, my blogs and presentation, and my finally declaration. So now small modification, you can do it in this resume, and then you can go and upload this resume for a CRA. Now I have created a CRA resume. I'll show you one more resume, which you can always look into it. So now I'll show you the same kind of instructions I'm giving for my dummy CRA, and also my, for example, I want to apply for CDM role. So dummy resume template and CDM role. So I'm taking two and I'm uploading it, and then I'm going for the instructions what I have to give for the CDM role. So for CDM role, I'll put it as yeah, this one is CDM. So I have put my CDM points here. I'm putting here as CDM role. So now say, for example, create uh, a ATS friendly resume as per attached resume and also job description. I need the following sections. Create job summary as per the description. And also my qualification is this. My certifications are GCP trained, certified, and PG diploma in clinical data management. And skill sets as per the job description. My achievement are this: international conference, latest advancement in CDM and the EDC system, and blogs. Now I will run the show. Then I will get the best resume for the CDM as per the job description, which is ATS friendly. So now I have created one dummy template. I have given a job description of CDM. So the job description of CDM is very clear. So every time the job description will be looking like this. Now, say for example, I'll show you the job description for CDM role is this. So now you will have, we are looking for detailed enthusiast of this to join CDM team. It has to have collection, review, validation of data, and then key responsibilities, and then preferences, required technical skills, and computer skills, and soft skills. All those details are being given here, which I have uploaded along with my CDM dummy template. I mean, my resume template. So now what will happen here is I'll get the best resume out of it where I can download directly here. And it has given ATS underscore Sumati CDM resume. So now here is the CDM resume. I have got it. So now I can download this resume, and once it is downloaded, you can use as it is. Okay, I think it's downloaded. So now ATS resume for CDM is this. So career summary got changed, and your certifications got changed. Here it is CDM now. The technical skills got changed, and your technology skills have got changed. Achievements got changed. All this got changed. So somehow it has given terms in a paragraph. So manually you have to make it as this so that you can look into the resume in a very clean and neat way. So manually some changes are required once you have uploaded this resume. Manually some changes are required for you because these are the required things. Alcoa and all those things are required things. Now these are the technical skills. Now say for example, the technology skills. Sometimes the Power BI is needed. The basic SQL structured query language is needed. EDC system, which Clinosol provides training, is needed. So like this, you can create your ATC friendly resume. This will make sure 95% of chances that your resume clears the CRO interviews and you can apply for the jobs and you can get into this kind of things. Now, this is about CDM role. I'll show one more time, one more resume, and I'll take this time as pharmacovigilance. I'll take it as pharmacovigilance, dummy template, and PV role uploaded. So now upload it, and then you give instructions. You give instructions for PV. So now this is the PV, and then you give the instructions for PV. So create ATC friendly resume as per the attached resume. And I need the following: Kiran Kumar and phone number and mail IDs and qualifications and GCP certified, PG diploma in pharmacovigilance, and also my international article in AI in PV and also e-consent and blogs. All these things I have given. So I'll run this one. So then I will get one of the best formatted resume for ATS friendly, which is required for DSA role. So now in terms of creating your resume, understand you should not have a generic resume. You should have a resume which can make you to clear that particular role rather than having a generic resume. So point number one, you need to put the resume in such a way that your resume should be able to clear the interviews properly. So now if you see here, the summary is curated only for your pharmacovigilance. And that too, if you see the words, keywords, as per job description, they want, if you see job description, they want the certified people. So now if you see the job description here, the job description clearly states that you need some of the knowledge on ICSR and fresh graduates of drug safety, patient safety. All those words are here. Now, these are the key responsibilities. These are the key responsibilities, and the preference is being given in certification in the PV and also certification in GCP. And required tools are this one. So pharmacovigilance, all this valid case, invalid case, all those triage, all those things are needed. So these are all terms which are required. Soft skills, computer skills are this one which is required. So these are all information which is required. So I have downloaded a resume for pharmacovigilance. So pharmacovigilance resume clearly states you have knowledge on adverse event reporting and MEDRA and WHO, ICH GCP. And also you clearly see that certified in GCP and also PG diploma in pharmacovigilance. And your education qualification, GCP and PG diploma in pharmacovigilance, and all the technical skills which are required. Technical skills, everything will be there. And technological skills will be there. Soft skills will be there. Achievements are there. Presentation blogs and articles are there. And declaration is there. And you can add your project work as on top of it, cherry on top of it, saying that we can have a project work on this activities. So this is about resume for particularly in pharmacovigilance. Now, one more time, we will go and look into the regulatory affairs. Now, say, for example, if you want to upload your resume as regulatory affairs. Now, RA role, this one, dummy profile, and then you can upload it. And then I have already created the instructions for regulatory affairs. So I'll take it as regulatory affairs. So I'll take it this, and then I'll put it here. And then I'll get one resume, which is your as per your ATS friendly resume. So this is ATS friendly resume, which I've added two templates. One is job description, one is your generic template, and also one is your this one, the instructions which are being given. So now I have got Sumati resume of regulatory affairs. So this is very clearly you can understand that how the resumes are being curated. So for regulatory affairs, you need to have CTD and ECTD, regulatory documents and GDPs and GMPs and GCPs and all those PG diploma in regulatory affairs, and certifications, technical skills, GMP, GDP, GLP, all those product registrations, technological skills, soft skills, achievements, and publications. So this will also create your resume in a perfect shape and size for regulatory affairs. Now, one of the last resume which I wanted to create and show you is the medical writing. So medical writing also same way. You take it as dummy template and medical writing, and also you take the instructions from your notepad. So take no instructions which I have created. So this one I'll post all the instructions and templates and everything in the WhatsApp groups. You can go ahead and look into this. So I have created for medical writing the template of medical writing and also the template of the job description. Both I have given. So you have got one ATC resume template of Sumati, which is for medical writing. So this is medical writing resume. So I have shown you today multiple resumes. First, I started with CRA, simple logics. Take your template, take your job description, write a clear cut looping. Don't write a prompts. Write it as a looping, saying that I have attached this, and this is my job description, and this is my outcome which I am expecting. This is called as looping, not just a prompting. Don't use ChatGPT as a prompting. Use it as a looping, wherein you can understand and learn more and more things, that my problem statement is this, my attached document is this, my outcome should be like this. Can you try this? So that's what GPTs will understand. So we started working with the first resume, which is CRA resume. I'll show one by one resumes, templates for you. So this is the CRA resume, the first CRA resume, which will have technical skills of this all and technological skills and soft skills of this. Then I have shown you the second resume, which is your PV resume. So this is a pharmacovigilance role or the pharmacovigilance resume, including the causality, AE, EDS, and all those things. Then I have shown you the regulatory affairs. Then I have shown you the CDM profile. Then I have shown you the medical writing profile where you will have. So I have shown you CRA, I've shown you CDM, I've shown you PV, I've shown you medical writing, I have shown you regulatory affairs. So I'll post the templates in WhatsApp group and also I'll try to post it in the YouTube as links so that you can use it for the purpose. So this will make sure that our ATC or ATS friendly resume clears 95% of chances because the job description is exactly matching with your resume and your all personal details and the customization details are being given into these are all things. So I hope this YouTube live was useful and how you can create your resumes by using most importantly the chat GPTs and kind of systems. So thank you for joining today for wonderful live on Saturday weekend. I wish all the best. If any questions, you can reach us on 912-115-1622. We are starting a new batch of 10 course combination, which is clinical research, CDM, PV, medical writing, regulatory affairs, SaaS, AI, and resume writing, LinkedIn, and also communication skills and Excel. So please do reach out to 912-115-1622 for knowing more information about knowing the course fee structures and also we are running monsoon offer this time. So please do utilize. We are giving 30% off for the fees. So thank you so much for joining on YouTube live on